Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. So let's jump right in. I'll give you 3 options for what you can do. So the first option is to open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, look for the apps and notification section. Afterward, choose the Instagram app from the list. Then, within the Instagram settings, locate the storage option. Select the clear cache option, and also clear the app storage. Once you have completed these steps, refrain from opening the Instagram's app just yet. Next, proceed to the Play Store applications and verify if an update for Instagram is available. Open the Play Store and search for Instagram. And if an update is indicated, proceed with the updating the app. And however, if there is no update shown, you can go ahead and open the Instagram app. You will notice that you will still have the error of this page. Now, what you're going to do is for you to install the old version of the Instagram. So I'm going to put the link in the description of the video. And to resolve the issue, begin by uninstalling the current Instagram application from your device. And after uninstalling, proceed to process the link provided in the video's description. And from there, download and install the APK file which contains an older version of Instagram. Once the installation is complete, keep in mind that this is a temporary solution and a permanent fix may be released soon. However, for the time being, open the newly installed Instagram app, and from there, you can log into your Instagram account, and the error should be resolved. After logging in, you will regain access to your Instagram profile. However, please note that the older version of the app you have installed temporarily does not include the notes feature. It is important to remember that this is a temporary solution, and Instagram is expected to fix the error soon. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.